representing decimal numbers according to place value chart. तो अभी तक हमने इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन पढ़ा। हमने पढ़ा देयर इज अ वंस प्लेस, वंस के बाद आता है टेंस प्लेस लेफ्ट में, उसके लेफ्ट में आता है हमारे पास हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, हंड्रेड के बाद थाउजेंड, फिर बेटा 10,000, यस, 10 lakh, then 10 lakh एंड सो ऑन, राइट। लेकिन वंस प्लेस के बाद क्या आता है, राइट? वंस प्लेस के बाद हम लगाते हैं डेसिमल पॉइंट। नाउ वंस के इधर टेंस है तो उधर भी टेंस जैसा ही प्लेस होता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं थ प्लेस। बेटा टी एच वर्ड यूज हो जाता है, ठीक है। अब टेंथ थ के बाद कौन सा आएगा, जैसे यहाँ वंस के बाद टेंस, टेंस के बाद हंड्रेड, तो इधर आएगा वंस के बाद टेंथ, टेंथ के बाद हंड्रेड, हंड्रेड, द वर्ड टी एच इज एडेड। हंड्रेड के बाद आया थाउजेंड, तो इधर आ जाएगा थाउजेंड, थाउजेंड, थाउजेंड के बाद यस 10,000, द वर्ड टी एच इज एडेड। देन 10,000 के बाद लैख एंड सो ऑन। So this is according to Indian place value chart. We can represent any decimal number. Questions. We have 20.056 as a first question. 20.056. If I place it on number value chart, how will I write it? See, decimal is inclined, decimal is aligned with decimal. Then we have before decimal 2 digits 20, and then 056. 0 comes on 10th place, 5 comes on 100th place, and 6 comes on 1000th place. So this is how we write according to place value chart. Let us take one more example. B part is 1356.89. So it is 1356. So 1356.89. Let's write 45.701. So we align the decimal. We have 2 digits before. So 45 written like this and 0.701. We never read it like 701 because it is not hundreds place, right? So we have to read digit wise. 701, 0.89, 0.056. Then next we can have 0.126. So we align the decimal. We have 0 before the decimal and after the decimal we have 126. Then 3.4562. So we align the decimal. We write 3 before the decimal and 4 decimal places. 4562. So you can see very clearly that 2 is at 10,000th place in this number. Then F part, we have 72.1903. So we have 72 before the decimal, point 1903. So 1 is at 10th place, 9 is at 100th place, 0 is at 1000th place, and 3 is at 10,000th place. How we represent the number names as decimals? For example, we have 67 and 9 tenths. So we have 67 is written like this, and represent here decimal point, and 9 tenths. So 10th place पे हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 9. So it is 67.9. Then next we have 45 and 700s. 45 and 700. 45 and 700. So we have 45 and represents decimal, and 100th place, on 100th place we have 7. That means there is no digit on 10th place. That means we will have to add 0 on 10th place. So it is 45.07. Then next 206,000. 206,000. So 200 is written like this, 200, and represents decimal, and 6,000. So we have 6 on the thousandth place. So we will put two zeros before 6 because there is no digit on 10th place and there is no digit on 100th place. So this number becomes 200.006. Then next we have 3.654. 654. So this number is directly given digit wise. So we have 3.654. We can write it directly. No need to think about hundredth, tenth, or thousand. So 3.654. The next 48.240. 48.240. So how will I write it? 48.240. Okay. If I put 50 here, you will write 58.240. So you can, uh, if it is 58, we can write it as 58. Yes. Then next we have 0.006.